Welcome to your dream home, located in a prime cul-de-sac position within the sought-after Long Meadow Farms. This spacious one-story abode sits on a GE Nearest more than 13,000 square foot lot that has been beautifully updated. Nestled on one of the best cul-de-sac locations in the community, this home is near the main recreation center, resort-style pools, community lakes, Adolphus Elementary, and convenient access to Highway 99. The house has been tastefully painted, and two of the bathrooms as well as the kitchen have been thoughtfully renovated. There are now 2 dining rooms, adding versatility and charm to the living space. If desired, one of the dining rooms could be converted into a bedroom. Large kitchen with oversized island opens to family room and second dining room. Wait until you see this oversized pantry. The home boasts 4 to 5 bedrooms and 3 full baths, making it a must-see property. Outside you'll discover a fantastic backyard, perfect for entertaining and relaxation. The covered patio is designed with stamped concrete flooring, a wood-beam ceiling, and outdoor fans. Also, the backyard includes a half basketball court, perfect for fun-filled games. There is enough room to build a pool and elevate the backyard even further. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to make this house your forever home.